Gulf South Conference officially advanced a team to the NCAA Division II Men's Basketball Elite Eight for the 8th year in a row. As GSC rivals number 1 seed Alabama Huntsville and number 2 seed Christian Brothers matched up for the 4th time this season, and UAH made it 4 in a row over the Bucks behind a 68-59 triumph. The victory gave the Chargers their 2nd consecutive NCAA South Regional title and also marked the 4th time that a GSC team has defended the crown. The game was headlined by 8 lead changes and 5 ties, including a UAH 6-point lead with 7:47 remaining, where Christian Brothers closed it with a 5-0 run, knotting the score at intermission at 29-29. But in the second half, it was all UAH and all Josh Majette, who was most outstanding player for the regional, while teammate guard Jamie Smith joined him on the all-tournament team, along with Christian Brothers Scott Dennis and Zach Warner. Next up for Alabama Huntsville is a repeat trip to next week's Division II Elite Eight. UAH will face defending NCAA champion and Midwest Regional winner Bellarmine on Wednesday, the 21st of March, at a time to be announced.